That is superb. Chicken Tikka Madras made. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Chicken Tikka Madras. BIR style. So easy, so quick. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay, this is an easy one. Flame on. In with some oil. About 3 tablespoons of oil. Warm up your pan, guys. And about a tablespoon of garlic. Pinch of salt on top of there. Now what we're trying to do is just cook out the rawness of this garlic, guys, okay? In with some methi. I like my methi in now. It just rehydrates a little bit better, you know. Right. Now what we're looking for a slight tinge on the garlic. As soon as we get the slight tinge on the garlic, we're going in with our curry powder or mixed powder and chili powder. If you look there, it's starting to tinge slightly. In with our curry powder, mixed powder. In with our chili powder. Work that in there. So what we're doing, we're blooming up the spices and cooking out the rawness. It's so easy. And then we're going to go in with a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. Get that stirred in there. Oh, the smell. The smell is fantastic. We're going to go in with a squeeze of lemon and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Chuck in some coriander. So we're cooking out these spices, just lovely. Look at that. All that rawness in those spices is coming out. It's an amazing smell. And then we're going to go in with a ladle of base gravy. Just loosen all that up in there. Perfect. In with our chicken tikka. And with a little bit more coriander. in with a little bit more base gravy. And then all we do is just let it cook down. Thicken it up to whatever you like. You know, if you want it thick, thicken it up. And that is chicken tikka madras made. Off with the flame and serve it up. That is superb. Chicken tikka madras made. Oh. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video. That is amazing. Oh, got a bit of a dew on. That chili is really warming.